Welcome all. In this video, we will discussing about previous year university question regarding the subject KTU EST 102 programming in C. Question: without using any built-in string processing function like strlen, strcat, etc., write a C program to copy content of one string to another, or write a C program to copy content of one string to another using pointers. We will discuss how to answer this question. First, it will be noted the header file and main function. Then we will declare the two character array, string 1 and string 2. Then the character array, after that we will write a two pointer for declaration of a character pointer, char str1 and char str2. Then we will enter the string, printf enter the first string, printf enter the second string. Then we perform str1 to copying the content of string 1 to str1, then copying a content of string 2 str2. Then we will perform the operation that copy the content of string 2 to the string 1. Copying the content presented in the string 2 will be storing into string 1. At that time, we will check star str1 will be star str2 not equal to null. Then content of star str2 will be copying to star str1. Then the value of str1 will be increasing. After that, value of str2 is also increasing. Then assigning the value of star str1 to null after the while loop. Then printf, the concatenated string is in %s comma string 1 will be storing the result. Here, for using the first array, we will write the result as enter the first string. Then we will write as hello as the first string. After that, using the second operation or second array, enter the second string operation is performed. Using the second string operation, we will enter the veiled as the second string. Then we will check str2 equal to null. At that time, there exists a value. Then while loop will be executing. Or in this while loop, str2 content of str2 is copied to str1. At that time, the veiled will be copying to str1. Then after copying each and every character, while loop will be, after completion of while loop, we will assigning star str1 equal to null. Then value of str1 will be assigning to null. Then the value of str1 will be storing the value of the str2 will be copying. Then we will perform the when we will be checking the result. At that time, the value presented in the str1 will be displaying. It is same as the str2. That will be, it will be performing the operation of a strcpy. Without assigning this str1 equal to null outside the while loop, then what happens? When we did not assigning str1 equal to null, at that time, if there existed two strings length are different, then the some value presented in the str1 will be displaying. We will check for outputting. For compilation, gcc space strcpy dot c as a program 9. Then /a dot out as a output file. Enter the first string, I will enter as a hello. Then enter the second string, I am entering as a veiled. Then the content presented in the string 1 is veiled. The content will be shifting to string 1. Veiled will be shifting to string 1. If we should not assigning str1 is equal to null, I am not assigning, I am commenting this statement. At that time, what will be happening? I will show the result. Then performing the compilation and running the program. Then enter the str1. I will enter as a hi hello. Then enter the second string. At that time, I am entering veiled as my output. Then operation will be strcpy copy operation. Then content of weld will be copying to first string, then output will be the weld. But when we seeing the output, there exists a after weld there exists LLO. The LLO will be from after the weld of hello. Then here this LLO will be taking after this weld, because there exists a weld containing 5 letters. Then first 5 letter will be copying using this weld, and the remaining will be displaying. Should not showing this, we use star str1, we assigning star str1 equal to null. When we are assigning star str1 equal to null, at that time we will run the program. Then first string as hi hello, then second string as weld, then output will be weld alone. The content in the string 1 is weld only, because in this type or in this program we are assigning star str1 equal to null. In the previous case we should not assigning star str1 equal to null. That is the actual case of a string copying program. The content of string 2 will be copying to content of string 1. We can perform both ways in string copy operation. If we need to copy the content of string 1 to string 2, at that time we will check only str1 will be equal to not equal to null. Then copy statement will be in the reverse manner. str2 is equal to str1. Then increment the value of both the str for performing each and every copy operations. That's regarding strcpy copy operation, string copy without using string handling functions, or it's a program for using pointer also. Thank you.